So in the world of predictive maintenance, what is commonly used is vibration analysis. And vibration analysis requires an actual sensor being placed on a motor or some type of rotating equipment. You can gather that information. Effectively, the sensor will tell you how much vibration is actually happening. With what we do from Volta Insite, we focus on electrical signature analysis. We don't have to be on the motor itself. We can be in the bucket. We can be on a fuse disconnect far away from the motor, which is advantageous because sometimes motors are not accessible. And we measure voltage and current. Through the voltage and current measurements, we leverage this concept of electrical signature analysis to be able to predict similar failure modes to vibration, but also power quality being delivered to that particular piece of equipment. So we are very complementary to vibration, and we see more on the electrical end of how things operate.